Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining in. Today in this video, I'm going to give you 3 simple, quick, and easy ideas on how to turn your canvases into 3D wall art. Now these ideas is actually an overview of my last 3 videos, and in those videos I showed how I took canvases from the Dollar Tree and Goodwill and how I used different techniques to enhance them and turn them into 3D textured wall art. And if you want to know step by step how I did those, check out the links below down in the description box and it'll show you everything that I did. So come on in guys and let me give you an overview of all of the ideas for these canvases. So idea number 1, I got this idea from Hobby Lobby. I was shopping in there one day and I noticed that their canvases had 3D textured floral items that they glued on or they attached to the canvas. So that's what gave me the idea for this one. You want to add in items that are similar to the painting or the picture. And this is the Dollar Tree wall art, and I decided to use it to try and make it the way that the Hobby Lobby did, using their beach theme, and I thought the Dollar Tree wall art would be perfect for that. Make sure you check out the link in the description box to see all of the items that I used to do so. So idea number 2 is also from a Hobby Lobby inspired painting that I got from Hobby Lobby about 1.5 years ago. And this one has a cracked glass applied to it. And this is just a closer look of what Hobby Lobby's painting looks like. Now this painting I've got from Goodwill, and I decided to use it to go with the Hobby Lobby one that has the crushed glass because I have it hung near that one, so I wanted it to look similar to it. Now with this idea, when I found these paintings at Goodwill as well, and when I saw them I knew I had to get them because they go perfectly with my plant wall in my sunroom that I created that have succulents and those type of plants. So I decided to get them, but I had to change them a little bit by adding in yarn. So this one is what I call a yarn technique. And by adding yarn or material to the canvas, it's a quick and simple way to outline or fill in the picture that's actually on there. So guys, I hope this video was helpful in giving you ideas on how to enhance your canvases and turn them into 3D textured wall art. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel so you can get notifications on my future videos. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.